If your washing machine is full of water and won't finish the cycle, I will show you the fastest way to drain it. No guessing. First, hold the power button until the washing machine turns off. Find the washing machine's plug and unplug it so that the pump won't start running accidentally. At the bottom of the washing machine, you should find a flap. Open it. This is where the pump filter is. The cover is blocking the way, so pull it down from the hinges in order to remove it. Then bring a tray, place a towel underneath the tray to observe the water that doesn't fall onto the tray. Slightly turn the cap anti-clockwise to open it. Don't turn it too much. This would make the water to flow onto the tray, and before the tray is fully filled up, close the cap by turning it clockwise to stop the water, and then empty the water from the tray into a large bucket, and then once again put the tray underneath, and once again repeat the same process. So now the water in the washing machine has become low enough that I could open the washing machine. Take your wet clothes onto a bucket and remove them all. Use a dipping bowl and start emptying the remaining water. You have to do it many times to get rid of the water. And near to the end, use a towel to soak up the remaining water from the bottom of the drum. And then once again put the tray underneath the pump filter cap, and once again turn the cap slightly anti-clockwise to get rid of the remaining water at the bottom. And still you might have to do it a few times to completely empty the washing machine. As you can see, my bucket has become completely full by draining the washing machine in this way, but now it is finally fully drained. And use the towel to soak up any water collected on the floor and prevent it from spreading underneath the other appliances. And then put the towel underneath the cap and finally open it, and some water would still come out. This is the cap of the pump filter. If you look deep inside my pump filter, you could see a string is stuck in between pump impeller. Put your finger in and carefully remove anything that might be stuck in your case. This button also fell out from the filter. This could have also caused the blockage. And once you checked carefully and you don't see anything else stuck, insert your finger again in and then try to spin the impeller. And if it spins freely, it means you have most probably have unblocked the pump. So now you can screw back in the cap. Make sure it is tight. Attach back the flap. Close the flap, plug back in the power plug, close the washing machine, turn back on the washing machine, change the mode to spin, and then turn on the washing machine. This should then start spinning the washing machine without adding any water. And if your spin cycle completes without stopping near to the end, then it means your washing machine's drain is now unblocked and it's working again. Now you can try washing your clothes with a quick wash. It added water, completed the cycle, and drained it as normal. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below.